Hi, so this is a Bosch oven and the heating element bent over the time and now it's explode. There was an explosion with fire and everything. So let's see how simple it is to replace it, if at all. So first, of course, need to open the back cover. I've seen once on YouTube and I'm not sure. There are few torque screws that I will open. We'll try to find the suitable bit for it. Okay, found something. And now just unscrew. So only 6 screws. Okay, and the cover goes like this. And there we have the heating element with 5 wires, or let's say 4, because one is ground. So I will take a picture in order to know how to put it back when I buy a new one. So in a second we'll continue. So just of course need to pull out the contacts. So just pull them out. There is a clips, I think. Yes, there is a clips. Or you can use a little power to take out. So that's all. Now I think I can pull it out from the other side. Very simple to do it, I have to admit. So inside there is one screw that I can't show. Maybe I will show it. I will take off the camera. On the top here that need to be removed in order to take it out. I will show you. Just a second. So here you have a screw up here. Let's find out if it is the same bit. This is also a Torx. Maybe the bit size is different. No, it's the same bit. So it's the same bit, like in the road. Just one bit and everything goes out easily. Almost. There is another part on the second side. There are additional 2 bits that catch the plata here. So I will show you. So here we have additional screw. I think it's also the same size. It catches a little plate that is catching the heat element from the other side. You have to, of course, both sides. So let's unscrew them. And the second is also out. And I forgot to disconnect. Oh, there is another ground maybe. One ground that I missed. So here it is, the heating element outside. This is how it looks. And it was bent over the years. That's all.